Hi all, James here. So, honest testimony here. Since I'm looking for a digital marketing course, and NIDM was the first one that came for me in Google search. So I came here. They suggest I had no clue what to choose. They suggested me, recommended me the dynamic digital marketing course, and I couldn't be any more happier since I've completed all my course and internships, and I've had the opportunity to do two live projects, which gave me hands-on experience, real-world experience. So I couldn't be happier for that. And also the faculty to mention, they've helped me with anything and everything. It doesn't have to be the one person. Everybody was willing to help me from the get-go, and any aspect of issue that you're facing. So since I've completed everything, they helped me with my resume building, interview preparation, mock interviews, and also supporting me through LinkedIn profile building as well. Anyone looking for a dynamic digital marketing course in Bangalore, in BTM, near BTM, I would highly suggest NIDM to consider the option. Thank you for this opportunity.